And we are starting. What am I going to do today? 6-hour candle. Very cool. Okay. Early comes. Hope everybody likes the new music. Zilla bullet time. See what I catch today, bro. What's good, man? Welcome. Giveaway today, so make sure you enter on the Discord under the YouTube giveaways so you don't miss out. We will be calling it later on the stream. Will we do a live race FPF on the screen? I think so, yeah. Perfect. Any trades today? Yo, trade Jacob. Where's the bottom and top tick today? Tell me them levels. It's up to FPF. FPF, will you let him win? One entry. I need some WD-40 on this shit, man. Chairs. Ain't even old. WD-40, man. I need that shit. I've actually been thinking. I haven't seen a proper news candle until today. For a while. Being at 8:30 PC, I guess. Trade Jacob. Now, what about NQ6 though? You got 6 screens. Jacob NQ6. Yeah, it's trading Jacob NQ6. Yeah. Oh wow, nice solo over there from the program finder, Mr. FPF. Producing his own tracks. How do you even make the tracks, bro? I actually have not asked. Oh, he's coming with a lot of them today. We've got all the different sounds. Well, Jacob and Q3 with the long. That news. Rewatching and no likes. Come on. Thank you. How many subscribers we got? 111. We need to get him to, what did I say? 500 subscribers and 100 likes, and then FPF will be doing live streams. I'm making rules here now. Smash. You know, it's funny, over the from the last week to this week, I've noticed even when there's giveaways and people find out it's FPF Club, they just straight away leave. And it's good. It's good for like people who support the code. You ain't got no Randys coming in here looking up giveaways on YouTube. Yeah, exactly. Not the freebie people. So if I go live here, giveaways. Let's have a look. Yeah, no shit. You just type prop firm giveaways and you look up live videos, and there's like a bunch. FPF Club. So those who have purchased accounts in the past. I mean, if you haven't purchased an account, Apex still have a 90% off. Good deal. Just use FPF, and then once you buy it, show the receipt to FPF via DM, and he'll put you in FPF Club. It's basically weekly giveaways, and you got the TV giveaways over here, so it's a win-win. Oh wow, like there's not that many people in FPF Club yet. You may as well get in now. More chances to win. Yeah, 10. So we'll give everyone like an hour to enter. And then someone will get the account ready for a full pull. Isn't that what we all do with free accounts? Uh-oh. I think we got a rock in here. Definitely got that hotel lobby music going on. What's everyone's bias today? What is everyone feeling? Yes, Lucifer, the F members giveaway. I hope you remember, because we'll be doing a lot more. I know, bro. 8:30 news, it was a clean candle. I'm pretty sure it was clean. Yeah, real clean. Yeah, bro. I'm looking for that continuation as well, to be honest.
Zilla, what's up, bro?
That's good, man. How are you? You had a good week.
I got a sore throat, but a little bit of stuffiness, but I'm fighting, bro. I'm fighting back. Hopefully I can get rid of it soon, but
Yeah,
good
right.
week though, yeah. This week's been pretty
It ain't
pretty
gonna
decent.
stop you. You sound straight though. Yeah.
Bro, last night I was going through it, bro.
Oh yeah, for real.
I barely slept, just taking.
You got your summer weather there as well. Usually.
Yeah, usually you don't get sick, but when you have kids that
sick,
lay
right?
next to you, I have a son who coughs in your face when you're sleeping. So
actually, you know what, bro? Speaking about kids, they probably bring you the most sickness and germs back.
Yeah, bro. It's just the circle of life, I guess. They don't care about germs.
Everyone in my household's been sick but me. I mean, I got a bit of a sniffy nose, whatever, stuffy nose. But I'm not sick.
Not too bad, but I'm ready to go, man. This week has been pretty decent. Yesterday was a little bit complex, but
it was, bro. That shit was good for scalping though. Like if you were in shorting, you'd get something in that little range. But yeah, I was always expecting it to eventually get up to that 6-hour gap, as it did. But that's with the earnings anyway. We had the MU earnings.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
It's crazy. You don't even look for that type of news until it's too late. Like I had no idea they had earnings.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then boom, skyrocket. I guess if you look at the charts now, right, we pushed past that earnings high, and price is a bit stagnant above it. It hasn't shown much strength above it, so maybe we get some more selling pressure. Bearish fair value gap daily. Yeah. That wouldn't be surprising to see a little more selling pressure. At least to maybe rebalance this expansive move here. This was a massive move from this low. 900 points.
I'm feeling a 930 manipulation down, but then
continue, huh?
Go up, yeah.
True, yeah.
Point, yeah, it's just you know, I'm sure there's a lot of people right now waiting for some shorts, you know.
Yeah. You just play whatever is given, right? That's
whenever that happens, right?
No, so I mean, if you want to look for buys, you can. This is how I would look for it. It would be a simple.
I'm sure there's a way to
just a recap, right?
Today,
recap what happens, man. Recap what happened in the overnight session. I feel like a lot of traders just overlook that overnight price action. But if you pay attention, you'll see that price attempted to go lower here. We got a nice flip at this low here. So number one, you get this bearish candle here at what time? 8 p.m. Price aggressive move lower and it fails. Price immediately flips. So this right here automatically becomes an order block for higher. As long as price can maintain this area, you would expect higher. And then you have
Around there, huh?
another order block family sitting on the 30-minute. You see a ton of attempts to go lower that just completely fail every time. Every 30-minute order block here just fails. So when we break above this hourly, I'm looking to see, all right, where are the 30-minute candles that failed to go lower? There's another one right on top here. So if I'm bullish, I want to see these hold. The moment we start breaking lower, retesting and failing to get going higher, I'm going to think lower, right? But as long as we can retest here, like you said, maybe get like a 930 sweep of these lows and then show some wick activity in here, climb back above this previous daily high, and naturally you think higher. I want to see if yesterday's, so yeah, similar to yesterday's price action, right? You saw London session gave you a really clean set of order blocks here. Price didn't retest those until after 930. We open higher, and then what happens? We break these. Once you break here, I'm immediately looking for shorts, right? So this is where I caught my short yesterday. It was, I want to say, no, that's not even yesterday. That's Monday.
Yeah,
Yesterday's here.
it is yesterday, bro. The choppiness right
Yeah,
there.
this is yesterday, right? So you see, price gives you, these are failed attempts to go anywhere. You got a nice range. So once price breaks, I'm looking for a retest. And what do you notice? We retest it and we show no strength above it at all, right? We get up under it, retest. This is where I was looking for my short. I shorted off of this, I want to say this 2 a.m. price or 6 a.m. price here. If you go down to the lower time frame, you'll see that price was very reluctant to get back above it. Once we broke it on the 30-minute, I was like, all right, maybe we try to go higher, but look at this 6 a.m. price right here, this black line here, make this red. Look at how price gets above it, sweeps these highs, falls right back underneath this 6 a.m. price. And then this is where you're short. This is, I think I ended up going short. I tried the long here with this breakout, and I thought it was going to hold 6 a.m. And then I got stopped out underneath 6 a.m. And then the moment price started to respect 6 a.m. and break midnight, short, stop above here, target the lows. Really nice trade there. And that's the type of deal you're looking for again today. It's not always this simple because sometimes, you know, the market runs away from that overnight price action. It'll be way past London or something crazy like that. But anytime the market is opening next to these London or Asia levels from the overnight, I would pay close attention to this, you know. So we've already broken here, we sweep, but notice we turtle soup right back into the London range. So like I was saying, a failure to continue here and then rejection from somewhere in here, I would definitely be shorting this. You got the Asia low, you got the London low. Maybe you get like that bullish continuation after rebalancing here, you know, a dip a little deeper before seeing that bullish pressure, right? And we have Fibonacci for this move here. We're nowhere near rebalanced of this move, so I wouldn't be surprised if price ends up down in here, guys. If it doesn't give you this aggressive move lower, like Zilla was saying, you'll get like a very shallow 930 dip into here. Maybe hold this 6 a.m. price. Maybe hold these 30-minute order blocks, a shallow dip and rip. So those will be the two scenarios, right? Either price dips very sudden, sweep continues, or you get that aggressive dip, or you get that blast off, which would send price back up into some bearish territory. So if price just, you know, opens up at 930 or 10 and just runs higher, I will be looking at these order blocks. I will not be trading any buys in that scenario. I'll be looking for shorts 100% off of these failed attempts to go higher here. I watch a lot of people trade lately, bro. Like, the good traders acknowledge the order blocks, pay close attention to those failed swings, those failure swings. And then the bad traders, they don't seem to acknowledge order blocks. It's a strange game, bro. Order blocks are your friend, my people. Order blocks, sweeps, candle structure. But let's see if the chat has any questions today. My bias will literally be set once we get this market open and see how price responds. Nice imbalances sitting in here, right? So if price wanted to even dip a little bit deeper into something like this, where we have this 12 a.m. imbalance sitting right next to this down close candle that failed here, swept a low, break structure. Price could easily dip into like this imbalance here, retesting this order block, and give you a beautiful trade. Power of three though, right? Whichever way the market starts to go first, I'm going to be looking to go opposite. That's my bread and butter. What do you notice here yesterday? Let's go to like a 30-minute chart. Yesterday, what do you guys notice? We had 930 sweeps this low, opens lower. If you were bullish, you got a great entry down at the lows at 930. 10 a.m. open, boom. That's a massive move. That was 340 points or so. All off of the concept that 930 and 10 open opposite of where it intended to go. It opens lower, sweeps, market structure shift, whatever you use for your entry, and you catch the move back up to those London highs. Crazy accumulation yesterday though, bro. I don't know how that was so boxed in. It's kind of what makes me think we're going to trade back lower and go back into this box. But we'll see. No reason to take any guesses, right? You just wait and see what happens.
That's all we can do, bro.
Let me read the chat. Boom, 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 boom. So what was the news so far today? We had some okay, nice. Cool. And the data shows what? Let's take a look at the data. We had jobless claims, PCE. All right, nice. So the data looks, let's take a look here. There's a lot of data on the table. So here's what we got. We have PCE index came back lower than expected. Let me see what PCE even stands for before I'll just ask my AI. What does US PCE price index represent?
The Personal Consumption Expenditures, PCE, price index tracks the average changes in prices for goods and services purchased by or on behalf of U.S. consumers. It serves as the Federal Reserve's primary metric for measuring inflation and tracking shifts in consumer spending habits.
Okay, so this number came in lower than expected. All right, that's the forecast, I want to say. Yeah, so that's a good deal. Jobless claims came in lower than expected. GDP higher than expected. All right, so I can't can't argue with this data. Data looks pretty solid, right? So maybe, like you were saying, maybe we do get a bullish reaction out of these markets. We did get a nice pop already. Who knows if that's the end of it? We got a nice pop. We got that data high sitting here.
Yeah, well, basically, bro, with what I trade, it's obviously a little bit different. It's I wouldn't know what to kind of call it, bro, but it's basically I'd say narrative, narrative with theory, confirmations. So what I'm following here is something that I would call halving theory.
Okay.
And halving theory is where basically you'll have a Monday expansion, Tuesday continuation, and then Wednesday, Tuesday, you'll get a crack with the triad. So we use a triad. What's Y, M, N, Q, and ES. And
Okay.
within that crack, usually it will happen by some sort of news. And for that, it was the earnings.
Okay.
After that, what we had was today, we had that weekly cycle confirming Tuesday, Wednesday, confirmed with the 1 hour PSP. What's a precision swing point? Basically, all that is a candle, one down close candle, one asset, and one up close with another.
So what time frame was that PSP? Let me check it out.
You can have a look at the hourly.
Hour. Okay. At what time? What hourly candle?
The hourly candle would be the 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Okay. Nice.
ES
All
and NQ over there, and it's also a TPD. So TPD is candle 1 to candle 3. Basically, the open and close. See how they're different. So
let me take a look.
in itself.
Let me take a look. 2 p.m. Yep. Okay. So you're considering this the bottom, and you're looking for what to be drawn or taken out now.
Basically, we have TPD from the start of the week. It was a daily TPD. And
On
then
Monday.
basically, yes.
At what hourly candle? Let me see. Wait, let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Let me see. No, not that one. TPD Monday. Was it in New York session, the TPD? For Monday?
Let me have a look. 1 second. We're about 10 a.m. Yeah.
Okay, so that must be the YM TPD then.
Yes, correct.
All right, perfect. All right.
Was it
So
daily
you're looking for the price to get back up here, is what you're saying?
I wouldn't say it'd go up there today, but
That's the draw, right?
Different sort of higher prices. Basically, like the gaps. See the Monday 6 p.m. gap
On the hourly?
in Q. I'll be
6
looking around
p.m.
there.
Okay. There it is.
And I know that there's also a daily gap that's being made that we're in right now, but I'll be looking to fill that at least.
Okay, nice. And like we were saying,
Have a look at the 6 hour chart over here. We got a 6 p.m. Look at 6 p.m.
6 hours, 6 p.m. Okay.
6 p.m. again. If you look at the 12 p.m. candle, and then you look at the 12 a.m. candle, what you will notice is there's a candle one that closes higher on ES, obviously lower on NQ.
Right.
That's TPD. That's without a PSP.
Okay.
If you look within that candle, the wick of the down close candle on NQ, you go to the hourly
6 p.m.
You will see there's an order block that's sitting there.
The down close at so you said the down close 6 p.m. on the 6 hour, go down to the hourly, and you'll see an order block. Okay, yeah.
A reversion level. A reversion level, basically a level that price will revisit before it sort of wants to take off.
Oh, nice. Look at that. So all right. So we're almost trading the same point of interest. without
Basically,
even
yes.
without even knowing at the same time. Yeah. So yeah, I like it, bro. Like I said earlier, like order blocks are your friend, and Zilla just literally said the same thing. You find out where you want to see price go, and you call it a reversion. That's what you said.
We call it a reversion level.
There you
Basically,
go.
it's a level within a TPD that's on a
Fire.
lower time frame. That is basically a change in sale delivery or a order block.
Nice. And it makes sense, right? You see this massive move, you see price at least attempt to go lower, fill in this imbalance, and then a nice sharp turn. So yeah,
And
if price
another
if price
thing
can hold it.
to point out, right? When you're on, say you find a 6-hour TPD, right?
Mm-hmm.
You find that reversion level on the hourly, and then you want to look for an hourly market maker model. If you can find one,
Okay.
it's more high probability.
The hourly market maker, what would that look like?
If you
Just
find one, it's more high probability. But basically, you have to find original consolidation. That's the first step. If you look on ES, it's a bit more clear. You have a first stage and original consult. It's way up, bro. Like you're going to be messing around with Monday and Wednesday.
Okay.
So if you look at Wednesday, like last week, it's just a big setup. You're looking a bit further out right now. But,
so you said Wednesday of this week, or
basically the start of the week, Monday. If you look at that,
so
it's
Monday,
like
yeah.
a consolidation part there.
Yeah. And you get this. So you're saying, okay, this is the sell side of the curve, and now you're looking for the buy side of the market maker model.
Yeah, correct. If that news has really confirmed that that's a real sequential SMT down the bottoms, Tuesday to Wednesday, yes.
Okay. So Wednesday will put in the low of the week, and then Thursday and Friday will just pull back into these
So
unmitigated
Thursday,
levels. Okay.
expect it to go higher if it doesn't obviously take the Wednesday low. And then Friday, we could have either Friday higher prices or Friday towards, say we go above true week open, we can expect a return back to true week open. True week open is 4 p.m. Monday. Sorry, 6 p.m. Monday.
Okay. 6 p.m. Monday.
Basically Tuesday, start Tuesday.
Got it. Nice. And you can see there was, like you said, some accumulation, some order blocks in here that haven't been mitigated since this aggressive move lower.
Yeah, correct.
Nice. Nice.
There's what am I looking at as well? Okay, so we also use our true opens as well, right? So right now, as I see it, we are near our true New York Open. What's 7:30? We use 7:30 as our true New York Open. So the start of that Q2. Usually, if we want to get alongside price, say we're bullish on that day, we want to see any sort of crack during our timed window. So we want to see a 90-minute S&T, or through a 90-minute candles, or a full 6-hour. One of the two. And that's how we confirm our entries.
Fire.
So we just use narrative and follow within.
Sounds good to me, bro.
Again,
sounds like you just summarized a very complex.
I'm trying that micro Q3. So the micro Q3 is real small, right? I usually like to plan to get it out before micro Q4. So
micro Q3 starts at what time? And what time does it end?
9:25 and it goes to 10:08.
Oh, okay, yeah.
10:08.
I remember.
I prefer to get out because sometimes I don't know if micro Q4 is going to make a reversal or continue.
Gotcha. Nice. So if all goes well, Q3 will give you a buy, right? To expand.
Basically, yeah. If it goes within how I plan in my head.
Fire. See, now that's trading, bro. To have such a detailed plan and then check off so many boxes, those make, taking the trade, holding the trade, it makes it so much easier. You know what I mean? Like, you
It
know
does.
exactly what you're looking for.
Well, when you do it over and over again, it's
Yep,
there.
exactly.
And sometimes, honestly, you don't really have to get the bias right. It's just getting that move.
Yeah,
and
that
getting
algo, catching the algo and getting a piece of some sort of expansion.
a
You do
piece
not
of
have to, you do not have to catch the entire
correct.
move. I like how price is accumulating above this order block. It's pretty
Yeah.
solid if you ask me.
For sure. And basically, as we're going into the session now, all I'm doing is looking for different sort of candles, right? Basically, I start on the hourly, and the hourly is just, as you can see, just accumulating. It ain't doing shit. So I'll be waiting for the close of the 15-minute candle at 9:30. And then the 9:45 as well. The 15-minute candle, if it can close within a TPD, that's also something that can help me get alongside the market. So there's all these things that can help me get alongside the market, and that's what I'm waiting for.
Nice. Okay. Fire. Boom. Cool. Yeah. So that's the game plan, man. Zilla and I pretty much have the same point of interest. This 8 p.m. failure to go lower, nice flip. A simple 9:30 or 10 a.m. manipulation back into here with a strong continuation profile. I would definitely take that. But we'll see. Like you said, you don't know exactly how this market's going to open, but the news was pretty strong, right? Got some decent news to support a bullish bias. We got a nice higher time frame area of interest to support the bullish bias. Now you just need to see the market give you that signature for your trade idea, and then the rest will be simple. Execute, take profit, and go about your day.
Oh, that's the plan, right?
Mm-hmm. Doesn't get any simpler than that, right?
No, right? No, not at all.
I've been like paying a little more attention to these. One thing I'm noticing, bro, like these changing the states are truly a major signature for a lot of these moves. Like,
For sure.
it's very interesting. Boom,
All right,
boom,
guys,
boom,
coming
boom.
close to 9:30. We do have 30 minutes to get into that giveaway. I'm gonna see how many people.
Definitely start using code FPF, man. If you guys want giveaways, it's a no-brainer. Get your prop account, use code FPF. You're gonna get the discount, and then you get entries into the Discord giveaways. So it's a double win-win situation.
FPF I entered, but don't count me in. I'll just see if it works. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4 people, man. There's only 4 people who've entered the giveaway today.
Yeah, drop a like on the stream and make sure you're in the Discord. Market is opening in 5 minutes. I will be heading over to my stream shortly. See if we can all catch a banger. I'll be tuning in here to see if Zilla's idea can offer a clean setup as well.
Yeah. Should be all right, bro. Should be okay. So This 4 minutes for this candle. And basically, I just chill on the 15-minute, waiting for it to do something.
Facts.
Yeah, we do have a bearish weekly cycle above, but I do not trust it. I just think it's a what I call as a SMT market structure.
I'm watching this Russell, man. The Russell is reaching
What is it up
nice
to?
expansion. It is expanding like no tomorrow right now.
Honestly, I think it's gone, back into sync with the with YM.
Lots of low resistance liquidity below, but the Russell has been pretty strong, so
Yeah,
looks good.
definitely. If we get a bullish move up, 9:30 open, started moving up now, or just like a pure wiki sort of 9:30 open, I really don't know what to expect. I mean, Asia, what we had, it go lower, and then it started a bullish move. London basically just expanded the whole day. Not really, sort of. So usually if that happens, I normally expect a 9:30 retrace. I'm just trying to read my daily profiles, my intraday profiles. What do you got marked over there, bro? You got data high?
Yeah. So this we had 8:30 news, so that's the data high right there. Should be definitely a draw, right? Data low as well.
I
But
mean,
yeah, the
definitely.
plan is set. So
All right, here we are.
the waiting game begins. Market's about to open.
Look at YM go, bro. You don't have YM on your chart.
I don't even watch YM. Russell is my new YM.
Expanding, ready to take that weekly cycle SMT out. As soon as it takes that weekly SMT out, I'm ready for the bulls, bro.
Fire. Nice, man. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for my stream and see if I can catch a bang.
Yep.
Hopefully, everyone has a legitimate plan, right? Talking to the chat, make sure you have a legit plan. Make sure that you are focusing on your entry price, right? It's not just about where price is headed. It's about where you get in, and that's what's gonna make you catch the move appropriately. Don't FOMO, all the basics, man. And have a good day.
Done, bro. Thank you.
Yes, sir, man. We'll catch you. I'll message you later, bro.
Done. Have a good stream.
You too, bro. Remember, guys, code FPF, giveaways, join the Discord, and yeah, be good at what you do. Later, guys.
See you, bro. Take care.
All right, see you.
There's that retracement I wanted. Let's go. All right, time to be patient now. There it goes. Taking out that weekly cycle SMT at the top. YM's done its job. Now I want to see NQ do its job. Alright, Q2s have been taken out. Next target, London. Full boarding. Okay, let's see who's tuning in. And watching. If we can get like 3 more likes at least, it'd be cool. The likes do bring in a bit more viewers, so it would be much appreciated if you do like the stream. I'm just looking at ES and NQ to see if it'll form any cracks or higher prices if I can. If not, all good. Like YM, I'm kind of just using it as a sort of a signal that's kind of like broken the weekly that was there. So now with these two assets, I just want to see one of them create a tail soup or the other one failure swings and take it up. That's all I'll be looking for, Abu. And I will not change my bias. If my bias is wrong, my bias is wrong, but I will remain with my bias I come in. Like during the day, I just stick to it. And if it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. Look at the 15-minute here. What are you thinking, Abu? So I got 9 minutes for my window, so a lot can happen in 9 minutes. And for me, just best to stay patient. make sure you enter the giveaway. $15-minute TBD with 90-minute. I got no idea what you're talking about. Okay. You can't be using YM over here, bro. It's on the other end of its life. I just said I'm using that as a signal to break the weekly. Yeah, following a 15-minute TBD with a 90-minute. I'm not going to be using that, bro. It's crazy. Yeah, I would be definitely, yeah, not using YM, bro. I'm only looking at it because basically over here, yes, it hasn't taken the high yet, but I don't want to see YM just take that high. I'm using it, nothing else. It's decouped, so I'd like to see YM either recoup up with them, or if not, it's just not meant to happen. Well, no, we may have a DC. So you just gotta see if any other crack happens, like a 5-minute PSP or 15. More ideally, just a 5-minute and a expansion. But it's all dependent on PS. I think it'll hold. Nope. Definitely go for the Asia. It's an insane 910 handle back. Now we got Asia. That is one massive candle, eh? insane. It's insane. Oh, doesn't look like I'll be trading today. I ain't catching nothing. Sometimes 9:30 is just too clean. Damn, bro. That's a damn move. That's insane. That is a freaking insane dump. It's non-stop. Literally non-stop. I don't know, bro. $7.05. Cool. No, another 100 points. Yeah. All right. Let's see who's entered the giveaway. Got 15 minutes left. Damn, bro. Not many of you entered yet. Make sure you go on the YouTube giveaways on FPF's Discord. Enter. Yep. Yeah, but I'm staying away from the charts today. Too much of a dump. Bias feels wrong. Bro, smash that 705. Like it's nothing, bro. This shit's cutting through everything like butter. There is no chance I'm even gonna attempt to try getting this shit. I guess we're just gonna be dumping, boys. The non-stop dump. Yep. No point. Okay, cool, guys. 10 minutes till the giveaway. I'll just keep waiting it out because price ain't giving us shit. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Gold. I don't really trade gold, but damn, look. Where the hell is it? Metals. There we are. Damn. I mean, buy some gold. Gotta get an hourly TPD here, and then lower prices. I would think that'd be nice to see. Huge move, bro. No chance to even try catch anything. So all good. Gonna wait it out. Yeah, gold. I mean, definitely a different sort of moving asset right now. Compared to NQ. Yeah, well, it's insane. Who the hell? It's setting up for that low Wednesday. Alright, guys, 8 minutes. Yeah, nothing for us, Abu. It's one of them days where price sort of runs and runs and runs and runs. Ain't nothing you can do. Just one of them days. There we are, taking the Wednesday low. Alright, guys, 5 minutes. The Wednesday low. Wow. A big dump, man. I know. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, it's a cool dump. If anyone caught that, awesome. Can't be mad at that. I wish my system told me bearish, but the daily close kind of got me. But again, I wouldn't have been able to even catch any bearish move. The hell would I even caught it? It ain't even make sense. I mean, it's 9:51 minute gap, but that's risky. Oh well, we live another day. Alright guys, 4 minutes for the giveaway. And then one of you guys will be winning it. I'm just checking out the build-up plan right now by my funded futures. First time I've actually checked it out, so let's have a look. How do you even build? What is it? So you have designed to be 1 day pass, be about 2 days early to be up. Okay. I'm sort of looking over here, guys. The builder plan. I thought it was like one of the plans you can choose your stop loss and shit. But all it is you have a tighter risk, higher loss ceiling. So what's the actual plan over here? Profit target 3K, 2K, okay. All cons. 2 days to pay out. What's pretty cool. And buffer requirement. Okay. You got the 1500. What's good, man? We're about to do that giveaway in 1 minute, so make sure you get onto the Discord and enter. And bro, I don't mind this plan. I love that it's 2 days to pay out. The buffer. 5 days. Really? You have a trailing on what one? The builder? Does it say EOD? Let's get back into this tab now. Let's have a look who's got the deals today. So we got Alpha Futures Zero plan. I've actually never I haven't had an alpha a long time back, but I haven't since I've blown that account. I don't know how good they are. Only thing is max DD 8000. I feel like it's not enough on futures these days, bro. Okay, build on rapids are trailing. Okay. I'm about to check out Alpha's deal. It's quite cheap, $71. No activation fee. Alphas, I don't know, man. I might get an alpha. I feel like it's time for me to get back into alpha futures, man. Has anyone been with alpha? Right. I can't really go into alpha. It's not letting me. It's shady? Shit. Another good one's trade day. I don't mind them. Again, anyone had any experience with trade day? All right, let's see how many people are in that giveaway, and let's pull it out, man. Let's have a look. We got Abu, Bosco, you're in there. So there's not too many entries today, man. But yeah, man, let's run it. I'd say that's the amount of entries there are, so time to run it and see who wins. Best of luck. And bro, E8. There's a few interesting ones that I want to try. Go to the Discord and quickly go to FPF Club. And there should be a YouTube giveaway channel. What coupon, bro? Oh no! Wait, we're gonna be putting in this one over here. I'll be applying code FPF. I'm applying this, bro. Make sure when you go to these sort of plans over here, delete that builder shit and put FPF. Yes, remember that. So when you come to a page like this, it will say builder. Screw them. Don't give them the coupon benefit. Press X, code FPF. Please support FPF so we can do more giveaways. Builder ain't giving you no giveaways. Right, here we are. 50% off for this. Copilot. What the hell is that? I don't want no Copilot. Okay, five profitable days. No, thank you. That's what we like to see. 1 day of funded. Sorry, days of payout when funded 1. Damn, bro. So they want you to be above 4K net profit. Oh wait, not for none. I ain't reading shit properly. Don't do no intraday shit. Alright, FPF, are we ready to pull out the giveaway? Coming in. Or what is going on? Who's gonna win? Abu Musa. Mr. Abu Musa. Trades Jacob. Abu Musa's got a chance. It is Jacob. TC. 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 TC's going for it. Chris select. Abu Musa. I got a feeling, bro. I've got a feeling. It's TC. Well deserved, LC. Give me the giveaway, please. Jokes. All right, congratulations, man. Abu, that was a close one for you. I know you need one ASAP. Anyway, guys, help me buy a new funded. I feel like buying a new funded eval today. Help me choose. Help me choose a firm. I want to choose a different firm. So I don't have my funded futures. I don't have an alpha. I don't have a FDS. I don't have a trade day. Well, it's your lucky day, Elsie. Bull Knox. I've had a Bull Knox a few times. Probably a 50k or yeah, 50k. I need to be on a 50k. A 50k would do. It is no, Jacob. You for real in Q3? I don't know if you're lying. Jacob, I don't know if I can take you seriously. Are you serious? Bro, what you mean? Vidia's premium. Alright, I'm gonna have a look. What's the difference? What's a premium? Bro, I don't know. Yeah. Let me have a look, bro. So premium. Wow, there's a lot of draw. Max 255. It's not bad. Swing. I don't really need the swing right now. Yeah, I don't really need a swing. Yeah, bro. Have a good dinner. Wow, far out. It's dinner time there. Take care, Jacob. Alright. I think it's gonna be between Alpha and my funded futures. Just need to see who's giving the better deal. funded futures network? No idea. Alright, I'm checking out. Alright, I'm gonna check out Alpha. Just need to put my details in here. Okay, cool. Start a new challenge. Bang. Oh, damn. They got weekly payouts. Weekly. That's kind of shitty. So that's where my funded futures went with their 2-day payouts. But Trade Jacob was saying it's trailing. It does say EOD here, though. Got day charts and FinTV coming soon. Okay. I thought so, right? It's end of day for sure. But build a plan, but I don't even get what that means. But hey, man, it's all good. Use code FPF. Will be sweet. But you have to get a payout eligible after 1600 safety buffer achieved. So it's basically a phase 2. Phase 2. Anyway, I think I got my funded futures. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna get off, but I'll decide what I sort of do. I'm gonna get an account soon. Alright, guys, have a good weekend and safe trading. Price is definitely going down, so stay bearish.